Hi, today we're going to be talking about this item in front of you, the Fashion Angels Find Your Wings Media Maker. Now this item here, the Find Your Wings Fashion Angels Media Maker, is very unique. It comes with a lot of different stuff looking at the pictures, but this is the front of the box. Basically you're going to get a ring light, and they're actually giving you two lights. So it seems like that there's one ring light that you attach to your desk and one to your phone. Now, what I'm going to be doing today is I'm going to be unboxing this item, taking everything out, showing you and assembling it, and just letting you take a look at it. I'm also going to be giving you my feedback on it, along with the cost and where you can purchase this. So before I get started, if you can hit the subscribe button on the bottom right corner, I'm trying to build my subscriber base. I really appreciate it. Also, if I've added value with this video to you, please hit the like button and feel free to leave me comments. I will definitely respond to all comments. Thank you. Let's get started. All right, so this is the front of the box. This right here is the back of the box, as you can see. And here's the side of it. And then here's the other side. So as you can see, it comes with a lot of goodies. Now you can use this, it says, for TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, Zoom calls, live chats. It's basically a video creator set that they're giving you. So they're giving you a lot of stuff in here. So let's go ahead and open it and see what they're giving us. While I'm doing this, some things about the ring light. The ring light itself that attaches to any, like such as a desk and stuff, it's 25 inches or 63 cm. The phone is 14 inches or 35 cm. And basically it's a clamp ring light. So it's a clamp that actually clamps to your desk. Alright, so let's check out the stuff. Voila, everything's taken out. So as you can see, the box is empty now. And as you can see, it's USB powered. Now it doesn't come with the little plug that you can plug it in. You actually have to buy that separately. And then you have to buy the plug with the USB, and then you can stick this into the USB. So let's kind of put this guy into action. So the first thing first is I'm gonna actually be unplugging this, which is your remote for the ring light. I'm just going to show you this. So the red button here is your power. The subtraction sign is to bring the light level down. The plus is to increase the light level. And the middle one is for the three different modes that you can choose. So there's three modes, once you can just remember that. So I'm going to just be plugging this in. I have a jack that uses USB. All right, so it's in there. And then this is your phone holder. And as you can see, it's kind of loose. So just remember that there's a little knob here. This is one where you actually tighten to let yourself know where you want your phone to be. You can tighten it and then it doesn't move. You see that? Also, this stretches, okay? So if an iPhone, stick it in there as it stretches. Boom. As you can see, this is a holder. This is the ring light. Okay. Let's take the phone back out. Just wanted to show everybody. Now there's this clip here. And it's great to clip to like a desk or something. So let's go ahead and maybe clip it to a desk right here. Desk right here. So I have it clipped right now on the desk. I'm going to bring these down so you guys can see it. It's the phone holder and there's the ring light. Okay. And I can go ahead and stick the phone in here so you guys get an idea. There we go. Stretchable phone holder. The old phone that I have, so I'll leave that on the bottom, as you can see. And then there's your ring light. Now I'm going to take the remote control, and just for a safety purpose, I just want to make sure you guys know, whenever you want to turn off your light, make sure you turn it off and then unplug it. Don't leave it on, just unplug it from the USB, from the power adapter. Okay, so let's turn it on. There we go, the ring light's on. Change the mode. One, this is the other mode. This seems like it's more hot. This is cooler, and this is coolest. So once again, you have 3 modes, okay? So this right here, the minus is to bring down the light, as you can see right there. And then the plus is to increase. So it's the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So you can increase it like 10 or decrease it by 10. So that's what you can do. Okay. So here you have it right here. This is basically the ring light, and this is the phone holder. I'm going to remove the phone out of the holder. All right. And there's your ring light, so as you can see. So just hook it right here. I just hooked it up to that. So once again, I'm going to leave it on right here so you guys can see it. Once again, just click the power when you want to turn it off, okay? There you go. All right, so now I just want to let you guys know where I got it from. Stores that you can get this from is probably like big, just like big stores. You can go to big box stores, like I would say Target, or even like some places like that sell a lot of lighting, like Michael's Arts. But another place you can go is places like Ross, like big box retailers, but they're discount retailers. You can get it from there, like Ross, Marshall, TJ Maxx, DD's, all that stuff. So how much is this item? It's like about 40 USDs. But if you were to get it from like a discount big box retailer like Ross, Marshall, TJ Maxx, Home Goods, stuff like that, you'll probably get it for like $25, $24, $26. So around those prices. So, there's your pricing, and then there's where you can get it from. Now, the great thing about this item, as I said earlier, it gives you a bunch of stuff because it's a media maker. It gives you a cloth. It's 39 inch by 59, or 1 meter by 1.5 meter, green screen. So right here, you see that? It's giving you a green screen. I mean, just the green screen itself, a lot of people need the green screen so that they can have the background and they can change it up. Also, right here, there's another packet that they give you. What did they give you in here? So what they give you is, they give you pens. They give you a set of pens. So this one is for your phone. So it'll make your phone light up, this thing. So just pretty much right here. Click here, and you snap it into your phone. Right there. Now, how do you get the power to go on? Well, it has this mini USB port right here that you stick on top right here. So as you can see, you stick it in. The mini USB. So I stuck in there, and then you would just stick this into a USB. Maybe your computer or something, and then you can get power to turn the light on. That's basically it. So you got pens, you get the phone light, and then voila, instruction booklet. Very important, okay? Always need to have an instruction booklet. So it's great that this item has an instruction booklet. So once again, you get your ring light, you get a ring light for your phone, you get the green screen blanket, you also get a bunch of pens. I mean, you can't go wrong. You get a bunch of these stickers right here, like cards and stuff, which I'll show you right now. So these are going to be your stickers, as you can see right here. I'm not going to open this. I mean, you can open it, but I'm just going to leave it as is, as you can already see what you're getting. You can get butterflies, heart, U-shape, peace sign, flowers, moon, lightning, eyes. So it's a really, really great value for this thing. I mean, just the green screen sheet that you're getting. So you're getting a bunch of good stuff. Now, what are my thoughts on this media maker? I think it's a great beginners. It's great if you're going to be doing like selfie or blogs yourself. If you're outside, you can use the phone thing to actually do some videos because it actually has a light. If you're doing jewelry, it'll be great. Or maybe if you're doing like cosmetic, because it's a close-up shot. So There's some great benefits about this, and it just gives you a bunch of stuff. Now, would I get this? I would if I'm doing like jewelries, if I was doing certain type of videos. But overall, I would say this would be a keeper if I was doing jewelries. It was a great item to get. For me though, it probably doesn't work because I do a lot of videos on assemblies. So I need a kind of like a light that's on top, like as I have right now, and then kind of try to fit everything in my phone. So I can't really have this because the light itself is kind of too small for me, for what I'm doing. But, you know, it definitely works really, really well if you're doing like up close jewelry and cosmetics. And it's great, you know, if you have like meetings and then you gotta, you know, go to a meeting and then you gotta use the video to do like Zoom calls, or, you know, you want to do Instagram, Snapchat, you know, just all that basic stuff that's really up close if you're doing it. So those are the benefits of it. So hopefully you guys enjoy this video. If you do, added value to you, definitely hit the like button. Definitely subscribe. I'm trying to build my subscriber base, and I definitely looking forward to all your comments. Let me know if you got this item, what you think. You know, if you have issues with it, it'll be great to share with everybody. So thanks for watching, guys. I'll be uploading new videos Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Take care.